Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us today on this webinar. We're going to be talking about Beddoe applications and what you need to do to try and be as successful as you possibly can when you are making an application. For those of you who do not know me, I am Sangeeta Rabadia. I am a private client lawyer. I have been practicing in this area of law for just a little over 15 years. And at the moment, my practice consists of both contentious and non-contentious private client work. One part of that is the Beddoe applications, which is why I've been asked to speak to you about those today. In other aspects of my professional world, I'm also a part-time judge. So I've been recently appointed as a tax tribunal judge, and I also sit as a civil recorder in the Southeastern Circuit. So today I've been asked to speak to you about Beddoe applications and what you as professionals or acting as trustees can do to ensure that the application is successful, and also just to talk about and consider whether an application is appropriate in the first instance. So what we're going to learn about today is what is a Beddoe order, when is a Beddoe order appropriate, how we'll talk through the practicalities of submitting an application, and we'll look at alternative options as well if you find that a Beddoe order is not absolutely appropriate for your circumstances. The contents of this webinar are probably most likely going to be appropriate for you if you're a professional who advises trustees on a regular basis, if you're a trustee yourself, and in the alternative as well, if you are advising a beneficiary who wants to consider whether opposing or supporting a Beddoe application is appropriate, and what to expect of their trustees when their trustees are making such applications.